Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Budget Beauty Buys. I look like such a bum today, but whatever. I'm just going shopping and taking you guys along with me. So I'm here right now at Marshall's, and if you have never seen a Budget Beauty Buy video before, this is where I go around to discount stores like Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Burlington Coat Factory, Nordstrom Rack, and I try and find awesome makeup deals and show you guys like what high-end makeup and drugstore makeup is discounted. So I'm really excited for today, and let's go into Marshall's and see what they have. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. Go down below, it's the first link in the description box, and I'm also going to link my Valentine's Day giveaway that I have going on right now. So if you guys missed out on that, go to that video, watch, and enter, because I'm giving away a lot of really fun beauty items. So let's go inside and start shopping. The first thing I found are these Eco Tool brushes for $7.99, and this is their Day to Night collection. And then I also found this Modern Romance collection from Eco Tools. I think these are so pretty, and this set is only $5.99. So I found the Kat Von D Locket Concealers for $5.99. These are both in the shade Light. This is the first time I found that color. The Anastasia Lip Gloss in Barbie Pink. This is $6.99. The lip palettes here for $24.99 from Anastasia. They have the Anastasia Concealer for $6.99. Just not sure what shade this is in. And they have the Aurora Glow Kits here still. So if you guys are still looking for these, Marshall still has them. They also have the Contour Kit in Tan to Deep and the Cream Contour Kit in Fair for $18.99. We've been seeing this a lot these past few weeks. On the Redken Braid Aid Braid Lotion, this is only $3. That is really good for a Redken product like this. So I guess it's for if you want to like have your braids be held together better. So this is a cool product. Found some Pacifica products. This is the Cocoa Rush Anti-Fatigue Mask. So it's like a sleeping mask, and this is $3.99. So I have this little Soft and Sultry set from Laura Geller. It looks like someone opened it and there's only one product left, but it's $5. So there is a thief who took the products in here. So clearly it is a different day. I'm wearing a different outfit. I didn't get to film the full day filming yesterday because something came up, so I figured I would just continue on today, which is the next day. And I'm here at TJ Maxx and hoping that they have some new stuff out and we can explore a little bit and see what kind of makeup they have here. So let's go inside. This one's my favorite. And there's also a Ross over here, but I can never find a thing in Ross, a single thing. I know some people find stuff, but mine just, I guess, aren't that good with makeup. Let me know if you guys found anything at your Ross. So we have still all these Bite Beauty high pigment lip pencils in Amarone. There's like tons of them. There's also one in the shade of Velvet. These are $6.99. And then they just have tons of the cream contour kits in Fair and Tan to Deep for $18.99. There's literally tons of them. On the Kat Von D Shade and Light for $25, but it is so busted on the inside. It's like not even really worth purchasing. It looks like a mess. This one looks shimmery. Looks a little bit different than the typical one, or the one that I already own. I don't know if it's like an illuminating one. We also have some Milani here, Easy Tinted Brow Gel for $2.99. I have the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper for $4.99. I also found the Smashbox Color Correcting Sticks. These are the green ones, Get Less Red, and these are $12.99. So they have like 4 of them over here. I have the L'Oreal Infallible Silkissime liner. This is in charcoal brown. They also have black. This is $3.99. We have a bunch of e.l.f. the bronzer palette for $2.99, cream blush palette for $2.99. They have the Beautifully Bare Cheeky Glow for only $1.99. They have the Mattifying Oil-Free Cream Foundation. This is $2.99. There's also some Anastasia liquid lipsticks in Seraphine, Naked, and Craft. These are $6.99. They also have, I just wanted to show you guys how there's literally not too much here. They have some Profusion, a lot of like just random stuff, nothing really that great. So this is why I never come in here, because there's honestly like nothing to choose from. They just have some like off-brand stuff. What is this? They have, oh, Dr. Bronner's. This is a good one. Their soap is really good for cleaning beauty sponges. This is $4.99. I use the mint one to clean my makeup sponges, so that's a decent item, but everything else is like, what is this? Nothing too good. So just wanted to show you guys what my Ross looks like and why I don't come in here. Some makeup brushes. This is the Eco Tools Anniversary Collection. This is $9.99. It has like a little rose gold case. They have a Moda brush. These are usually at Walmart. This is $2.99. And an e.l.f. set here. This is $5.99. You get a brush cleaner and some e.l.f. brushes. I've seen this before at Burlington. I'm at Marshall's and I found this Anastasia eyeshadow in Brownie. This is $3.99. I also found the liquid lipstick in Seraphine. And this is $6.99. They have these Too Faced Lip Insurance Glossy Lip Primers. These are $6.99. Found the Anastasia Waterproof Cream Colors. These are also $6.99. Also have the L'Oreal Butterfly Mascara. This is $4.99. So right now I'm actually at Burlington, and I'm also going to go into the Dollar Tree because sometimes they have some good stuff there. So I'm going to go into both. So let's go inside and see if they have anything good. Too much. They have this Glam and Beauty little clickable lip gloss set. They have the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. They have the e.l.f. blush in the shade Koi. The Wet n Wild brushes. My favorite crease brush in the whole world. The small concealer brush. They have tons of these little lip organizers. Some Wet n Wild lipsticks, which are really good. Cherry Frost, Fuchsia, Hot Red. That's a really pretty shade. The e.l.f. lipstick in Sociable. They have an e.l.f. lip stain. This I've never seen before. It's the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lip Balm. This is actually really good find for a lip balm. This is a pretty good brand. You can find this at most drugstores, Walmart. So I would definitely pick this up. They have this Oxy Acne medication. I think this is like also a drugstore brand. Pretty good as well. They have more of these Glam and Beauty lip gloss sets right here. Some like pinky shades. So at Burlington I found the e.l.f. contouring brush for only $1.99. This is such a good cream contour brush. This little Rimmel lip balm set. This is $2.99. Ooh, this is so nice. This is an EOS set of 6 of their lip balms: vanilla mint, blackberry nectar, coconut milk, vanilla bean, pomegranate, raspberry, and passion fruit. This is $10, so you're getting 6 of them for only $10. This is a really good find. They have this Almay One Coat Mascara. This is $3.99. Revlon Mascara in Dramatic Definition. This is $3.99. They have an Ardell Pro Brow Kit for $5.99. Here's a City Color Glow Kit. This is what these shades look like. This is $5. Here's an e.l.f. set. It's called Chic 16. Looks like it has 4 pan eyeshadow palettes, and this is $6.99. Okay, so now I'm at CVS because I want to do a little bit of couponing and using my extra bucks because it's been a long time since I've done it, and there's a really good deal on Wet n Wild right now. I need to build up my extra bucks again to kind of get them going. I had some and they expired. I was so upset, so I'm going to show you guys on my phone like what the deal is. Also going to see if there's like a deal on some toothpaste. This is the deal, and it expires today. If you spend $10 on Wet n Wild, you get 5 extra care bucks. There's some new Rimmel stuff, like this color eyeshadow. New Wonder Ombre holographic eyeliners. This is really interesting. They have like a step 1, which is this light shade, and this reminds me a lot of the NYX for whites, and then this is the holographic side, so I guess you're supposed to mix them together, and there's a couple different shades. This one is Galactic Green, so these are $6.99. They also have Golden Gaze, Purple Prism, and then Supernova Sky. I have a couple new products down here. This is the Born Brow This Way.
pomade, it's $4.79. New winged liner pen, this is $7. Kohl Kajal for $6.99. And then another shade right here. So this is emerald and this is a black. So some new Rimmel items. I also have some new stuff from Clean and Clear. This is their Night Relaxing Detox Clay Mask. This is $6.49. And Night Relaxing Jelly Eye Sheet Mask. This is $2.99. This looks really cool.
I just got out of CVS. I showed you guys some stuff they had in there. I didn't end up getting anything from Wet n Wild because even though I wanted to build my extra care bucks, I just felt like I didn't need anything, so I restricted myself and I just got toothpaste. Really exciting. Today is the last day for that Wet n Wild spend 10 get $5 extra care bucks back, so make sure you guys go to CVS if you want to stock up on some of the new stuff. I really would have got something if they had the eyeshadow palettes or the new ones, but my CVS doesn't have those in yet, unfortunately. I really want to try those and do like a comparison review for you guys because I know one of them looks like Modern Renaissance, but I haven't seen them anywhere around here yet. So I think that is going to be it for today's budget beauty buys. I know today there wasn't as much stuff, but hopefully you guys saw some stuff that you liked and you're going to go out and shop for at your stores. I know a lot of you guys get inspired and you kind of wait and see what's at my store, so you go out and get it. So let me know if you guys picked up anything good this week from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, the drugstores. Let me know any good deals you found. And thank you guys as always for watching my videos. I appreciate it so much. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!